Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am Amazing Angela, and in this video, I will be sharing with you a social networking platform that you can use to connect with verified network marketing leads. Okay, so if you're looking for your target audience, people with an entrepreneurial mindset, this is a platform that is very, very powerful. However, like what I teach in the organic Facebook marketing course, the results here will depend on your ability to build a relationship with these people, get them to know, like, and trust you. I can honestly say that I have earned over 1,000 in sales from people I met within this platform here. But that $1,000 didn't come overnight. It came with time, having built relationship with with my target audience. So what is this platform all about? You can see we have over is this 300,000 members. These are the number of messages that have been sent. Right now, as I'm recording this, 2 o'clock, 2:30 in Dublin, Ireland, there's 86 members online. And this platform here, you can use it to talk to network marketing prospects from your country and whatever country you choose. You can literally target them by country. You can get quality home-based business leads every day for free. And you can promote your website to attract new leaders for your team. It's the fastest way to expand your network marketing business. You meet real people looking for business opportunity, and you can actually use this to advertise to your target audience. You can see these are the newest member. These are members who are paid, professional members. So you can use the platform for free. You use credits as a free member. Otherwise, you use credits to unlock conversations. Otherwise, there's perks for being a pro member, which is what I am. And here you can see announcements. These are people who have written about their opportunities. So I can't stress how powerful this platform has been for me. And I can't stress how most people have the entrepreneurial mindset, but they're here to actually generate leads for their business as well. So you got to have that long-term view with this platform. But let me just quickly walk you through the dashboard here. So anything that happens is here when people sign up, when people upgrade, when people publish a business announcement, it's all here. And here we have at the top here we have our members, where you can actually see the members of the you can see our members, right? um, all members from islands. So 700 members based in Ireland. So you can see all that there, which is great. And the response rate as well. And then advertising here, you can actually advertise on this platform. You can place banner ads and text ads. I'll walk you through that in the next video, how to get support. You can write an article about your opportunity, and the article is going to appear here. And then here, these are the paid members. You can see the paid members here, right? And here, the dashboard, the leads. So you can see, as I say, this is a long-term vision of building relationships, but I do get people who are wanting to join my opportunities and who actually go ahead and join as well this way, okay? And here, even looking at this, I recognize some names, some people who've actually paid me money in different opportunities. Let me see what else is messages here, business announcements. So I'm actually going to walk you through this in the next video, right? And if you want to go ahead and share this opportunity, your referral link is here, where you can get access to your link and other promotional material here as well. So very, very powerful platform. Here you can pay to be a member of the day. So your picture, you're here, this is your spot. People can click and get to see more information about you. And then here, all the paid members, they kind of rotate on the spot here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this link here below the video. You can go ahead and create your free account. And as a free member, you're going to have free credits. You can unlock conversations with a few people. Once you have to spend a credit in order for you to unlock a conversation. But once you unlock the conversation, you can communicate for free. So I'm not sure how much you get as a free member, because I was a free member years ago. I've been a paid member since. So you're going to have to see that for yourself. So once you look around and go through the training, you can decide if you want to remain a free member or if you want to go ahead and upgrade to Pro. But in the next video, I will be walking you step by step through what you need to do to get set up correctly and start to advertise your opportunities.